Then Pete chooses a different a book with all strings
or
sorts of
and that's a K. Valley. Scary. Here, over here. On and monsters.
Monster on the
come here.
monsters.
The cover.
The cover. It is a book of fairy tale. Monsters aren't real.
Okay, they're not.
Pete
Valley. Silent
reads it and pretends that he is in a dress.
R. The A are making R. So R.
Dark.
Spook. And then Valley.
Forest. Trying to outsmart
How'd you do that? Okay.
a big bad wolf. Outsmart. That's pretty easy.
Okay. You say so.
You know that.
Okay, just a little bit more. Just a little bit more.
Pete puts that book back on the shelf. It is too scary.
All right. You're doing better than I thought. I don't know where this is coming from.
Pete opens up a book. About the
Pyramids.
pyramids.
Okay,
Why?